Hey folks, it's Steph here with Playaway Products, and today I am going to demo for you our new product, WhaZoodle. This is it here. This is the WhaZoodle device. I'm going to walk through the button functionality, the lighting, some of the content, as well as charging time and some of the cool features of this device. So let's get started by looking at what's right on top here. So first of all, you're going to see this label. This is the label for this particular audio bundle. You can see the title here, Explorers Club. All of the content in the Explore mode is going to be around this theme of explorers. Then you'll see below the name of the pack there that it's in the theme Adventure and Travel. We have about 10 categories or themes at launch, and you will find all of them listed on our website, but also on each individual device. You also notice right away from the top view here that there are 3 sections of colored buttons. Each is used primarily for navigation, so let's walk through that. The blue section of buttons, you're going to have your power on and off, your volume up and volume down buttons. Then as we move over to the green section, or sort of like the dark teal, you have your play pause button, and then you have forward and backward buttons. Each allows you to skip ahead one track or reverse one track. And then last, but certainly not least, probably most importantly, are the mode buttons in this sort of pink or purple color. So in the center there, that is going to be Explore mode, and that is where the majority of the content lives. About half of the content on the device is going to be in that Explore mode, and it is all going to be related to the theme of the content on the device. So, for example, if your theme is volcanoes, then Explore mode is going to have podcasts and songs and short stories, all themed around the concept of volcanoes. We do have 2 supplementary modes. To the left of Explore mode, you see the Recess mode. So Recess mode is going to include games and exercise prompts and crafting prompts and things to get kids kind of moving and creating. And then to the right of Explore mode is Relax mode, and that is what you would expect. This is going to be a mode that helps kids wind down for the day, and it will include meditations and nature sounds and relaxing songs to help them unwind. Now at the center here, you see this sort of clear perimeter around the label. That is where our light functionality comes. So we do have a lighting tool, and you can see the switch on the side here. We have a custom light experience for each of the 3 modes. So as we turn this on and play, you will see what some of that experience looks like, but you do have complete control to turn it on and off. Speaking of buttons along the device, here you have the, it's a little out of focus there, but you have the micro USB port for charging. It takes about an hour and a half to charge the device, and the device will run for 7.5 or 8 hours on one charge. You have an auxiliary input. This is a headphone jack. So if you don't want to use it as a speaker that plays out loud, you can plug in headphones there. And then to the right of that is the battery indicator light. So this is going to give you a sense of how much battery you have remaining on the device. And then last but not least is the speaker itself. The speaker is on the side of the unit here. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's turn on WhaZoodle, and you will hear kind of the prompts of the character of WhaZoodle as we go.
Hi, I'm WhaZoodle. Let's start in Explore mode. That's the purple compass button on the speaker. For other modes, you can press the purple Recess or Relax buttons. It's time to explore with podcasts, music, stories, and more. Away we go!
So WhaZoodle always starts in Explore mode, but the user has the choice to press any button and go to any content segment that they would like. You'll have noticed when I just decreased the volume there that there are many light indicators on this device. So as I decrease the volume, the light turns off or gets dimmed. And then as I increase it, you'll see the light grows. This device maxes out at about 90 decibels or so, but it starts out around the 70 mark, which is perfectly safe for longer duration use. Let's move to Recess mode.
It's time for recess! Let's move, play, and get creative.
What's a computer's favorite snack? Computer chips. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot. Why did the cookie... So in recess mode, we have a series of jokes and games and things that we think kids will really love. But let's move over to relax mode so you get a sense of that. Again, this is the mode for sort of winding down.
It's time to relax. Find a quiet and cozy spot to unwind. Let's begin.
Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a beautiful garden. A place of tranquility and peace.
So if you're interested in listening to the audio, but you maybe don't want this light show, what you can do is you just flip the switch on the side of the device and the lights are off, but the audio continues to play. Okay, so last but not least, when you are ready, you can power down this device by simply holding the power button for a few seconds. It does have an auto shut off, so let's say a child is listening and kind of runs away to have lunch and forgets about the device, it will power down on its own. But if you want to do that yourself, simply hold the power button like this.
Oh, cool! Let's hang out again soon. Just turn on the speaker and follow my voice. Zoodle-doo!
All right, everyone, that's it. Thank you for joining me for this demo of WhaZoodle, and I hope you like what you've seen. Head over to shop.playaway.com to explore the collection.